beautiful friends, my name is Anna and welcome back to day 3 of my 5 days of Christmas cookies. Today we're making peanut butter cups cookies. So these are peanut butter cookies with a Reese's peanut butter chocolate cup in the middle. They are a peanut butter chocolate lover's dream. They are so simple to make. We actually make them into little cups, like I said, in a muffin tin. Very simple, very quick. So let me show you the ingredients. You're going to need all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, salt, granulated sugar, brown sugar, egg, peanut butter, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, and here I have Reese's peanut butter cups. These are mini peanut butter cups. Make sure you unwrap your peanut butter cups ahead of time because once the cookies come out of the oven, you'll have no time to waste. You have to place them in the center as soon as they come out. Otherwise, the cookies are going to cool and they're going to harden and you won't be able to insert the peanut butter cup. I am going to start by adding some salt into my not baking powder, into my flour, and I'm also going to add some baking soda and some baking powder. We just want to mix the dry ingredients ahead of time so they're nicely mixed through, and you know that your dough is going to come out perfectly. We give our dry ingredients just a quick mix, and now we start working on creaming the sugar and the butter. So you're going to add your unsalted butter, make sure everything's at room temperature, and you're going to add in your brown sugar and your granulated sugar. I'm going to use my hand mixer to do this, but you can of course do this by hand. So I'm going to mix for about a minute. Okay, it looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the egg, mix it in until nicely incorporated. You're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure everything's nicely incorporated. And now we add in our peanut butter and we mix. Once your peanut butter is nicely mixed through, you are going to add just a splash of vanilla extract. I measure with my heart, but the written recipe has the exact measurement. And you're also going to add your flour mixture, and we just simply mix until incorporated. My dough is nice and ready. You want to make sure that you grab your spatula and you go around it just like that to incorporate every last bit. And now your oven should be preheated at 375. All that's left to do is spray your mini muffin tin with some baking spray. So I'm just gonna give it a nice quick little spray. This is going to ensure that nothing sticks, because that would be a real shame if your cookies get stuck to your tin, just like that. Kind of like make sure that everything's nicely coated. And now with a cookie scoop, I am going to scoop some of my mix. I like to do just a little bit less than a whole scoop. I find that a whole scoop it's too much. These are ready to go and they're going to bake in my preheated oven. Remember, it's at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll show you what they look like once we get there, and be ready with your chocolate because as soon as these come out, we have to pop them right in the center. These babies are done. So now we're gonna grab our chocolate and we are going to start placing one right in the center. Remember, you want to work quick because you don't want them to cool down. Okie doke. These are perfect. The chocolate, it's already starting to melt slightly, so it's kind of going to like integrate with the cookie. It's gonna be delicious. I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna pop them out and I'm gonna put them on a cooling rack to cool completely for another like 10 minutes, and then we'll get to try them. My peanut butter cup cookies have cooled and they are ready to be enjoyed. Look how beautiful they look. You're gonna tell me that these wouldn't look gorgeous in your cookie box, because they would and they will. We're gonna break one so you can see the insides. I want you to see the chocolate. Like I said, it gets very nice and melty and delicious, and then the cup and the cookie kind of become one, and these are a true delight. Everyone will enjoy, so let's give it our taste test. They're beautifully peanut buttery. They're so kind of gooey. Absolutely perfection. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Remember, if you want the written recipe, go to my website, anitas.recipes.com. There's a link to it in the description box. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share all of these cookies recipes with your loved ones if you think they'll love them, because everyone deserves to eat something as delicious as this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.